Hi everyone. Let's see another example of labor cost variance. The information regarding the composition and the weekly wage rates of labor force engaged in a job schedule to be completed in 30 weeks are as follows. Standard category of wages are skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled. Number of workers are skilled is 75 and weekly wage rate of 60 rupees. And actual number of works is equal to 70 members and weekly wage rate for 70 rupees. And next is semi-skilled standard number of workers are 45 and weekly wage rate for worker 40 rupees and actual number of workers are 30 and weekly wage rate for worker is 50 rupees. And then next is unskilled standard number of workers are 60 members and weekly wage rate for worker rupees 30 rupees. Actual number of workers of unskilled members 80. Weekly wage rate for rupees 20. The work was completed in 32 weeks. Calculate various labor variances. Various labor variance means we have to calculate first labor cost variance, and second labor rate variance, and third labor efficiency variance. First we have to calculate the labor cost variance. Labor cost variance principle is equal to labor cost variance is equal to standard labor cost minus actual labor cost. Standard labor cost is equal to standard time into standard rate, standard wage rate, minus actual labor cost is equal to actual time into actual wage rate. In this, standard time is equal to, first we have to calculate the skilled members. Skilled equal to standard time. Standard time is equal to number of workers into standard 30 weeks, 30 into standard wage rate. Standard wage rate is equal to 60 rupees minus actual time. Actual time is equal to 70 members completed in 30 weeks, 32 into actual wage rate is equal to 70. Equal to 1,35,000 minus 1,56,800. One lakh 35,000 minus 1,56,800 is equal to 21,800. It is minus, it is unfavorable. Next, semi-skilled. Semi-skilled is equal to number of workers are 45, 30 weeks into 40 minus 30 into 32 weeks into 50 rupees equal to 54,000 minus 48,000 is equal to 6,000. It is plus, it is favorable. And next we have to calculate unskilled. is equal to number of workers 60 into 30 weeks into standard wage rate is equal to 30 rupees minus actual members are 80 members into 32 weeks actual weeks, and the number of wage rate is equal to 20 rupees equal to 60 into 30 into 30 is equal to 54,000 minus 80 into 32 into 20 is equal to 51,200 is equal to 54,000 minus 51,2,800 is equal to plus 2,800. It is favorable. Therefore, labor cost variance is equal to skilled members plus semi-skilled plus unskilled. Skilled members are minus 21,800 plus semi-skilled is equal to favorability is plus 6,000 plus unskilled plus 2,800 is equal to total is equal to minus 13,000. It is unfavorable. Labor cost variance is equal to minus 13,000. It is unfavorable. Next we have to calculate the labor rate variance. Second one, labor rate variance is equal to principal actual time into standard rate minus actual rate. First we have to calculate the skilled members. Skilled members actual time is equal to actual time is equal to 2,240. Standard rate is equal to skilled members is equal to 60 rupees minus actual rate is equal to 70 equal 2,240 into minus 10 is equal to minus 22,400. It is unfavorable. Next, semi-skilled. Semi-skilled is equal to standard rate is equal to 960 rupees into standard rate. Actual time is equal to 960. Standard rate is equal to semi-skilled 40 rupees minus actual 50 is equal to 960 into minus 10 equal to 9,600. It is unfavorable. Next, unskilled. Actual time is equal to 2,560. Standard rate is equal to 30 rupees minus actual rate is equal to 20 equal to 2,560 into 10 equal to 25,600. It is favorable. Total labor rate variance is equal to skilled plus semi-skilled plus unskilled equal to minus 22,400 minus 9,600 plus 25,600 equal to 6,400. It is unfavorable. Next, third one, we have to calculate labor efficiency variance equal to principal standard rate into standard time minus actual time. In this first one we have to calculate skilled members. Skilled is equal to standard rate is equal to 60 into standard time 2250 minus actual time 2240 equal to 660 rupees into 10 is equal to rupees 600. It is favorable. Next, semi-skilled. Semi-skilled is equal to standard rate is equal to 40. Standard time is equal to 1350 minus actual time is equal to 960 equal to 40 into 300. It is 390 rupees 15,600. It is also favorable. Next, unskilled. Unskilled is equal to standard rate is equal to 30 rupees into standard time is equal to 1800 minus actual time is equal to 2560 equal to 30 into 1800 minus 2560 is equal to minus 760 equal to minus 22,800. It is unfavorable. Therefore, LEV equal to skilled plus semi-skilled plus unskilled equal to first 600 plus semi-skilled 15,600 minus unskilled 22,800 equal to minus 6,600. It is unfavorable. Verification. Verification LCV, labor cost variance is equal to labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. Labor cost variance. Labor cost variance is equal to minus 13,000 is equal to LRV minus 6,400. Labor efficiency is equal to minus 6,600 is equal to minus 13,000. Minus 13,000 equal to minus 13. It is correct.